from Nailah's Word Bazaar, and welcome to the world of words where learning is fun. Today's word of the day is calumny. C-A-L-U-M-N-Y, calumny. The definition of calumny is false accusation of an offense. This word is derived from the Latin word calumnia. Falsely accusing someone with the intent to do them harm is known as calumny. An example of a sentence with the word calumny is, we must ignore the calumny said by others. Some of the synonyms of calumny are libel, slander, denigration, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and stay updated for more words.